So in my last video or my videos back, many of you were asking that you wanted to know how to create your virtual cards. That is like so that you can be able to pay for items on Temu, AliExpress, and the likes. Temu. Yeah. So I'm going to help you to create a virtual card for I think about 1 CD or something on GCB. So you'll be paying super less, unlike the other platforms where they ask you to pay 10%, 14% and things. On GCB, you can be able to create a virtual card for I think 1 CD or 2 CDs or 5 CDs or so. I'm not really sure. I've forgotten. If you already have an account on GCB, that's the application, you can go ahead and then you do what you have to do. But then if you don't have an account, we are going to click on register here. So now when you click on register, you click on get started. You can ignore all the other things you can. So click on get started. Now they're going to be asking you bank account with Ghana card or G Money, or open a GCB instant account. If you already have a bank account with GCB, then go ahead and click on the bank account with Ghana card. With that way, they're going to be asking you for your Ghana card details and everything. Then you input it, and then you can be able to log in onto your bank account with the GCB application. But for me, I don't have a bank account with GCB. So what I will do is to click on open a GCB instant account. Now note that this instant account will only allow you to save temporal money and things with it. You aren't going to be saving like or having a bank account with GCB. This is just going to be on your mobile phone for you. Then I'm going to click on next. Now they will ask you for all of these details. I'm going to probably input. I don't have another SIM card to use, but then let's assume that I did. I'll be inputting my phone number here. I'll input my email account here, and then let me just use some at gmail.com. Then I'll input my Ghana card here. So the Ghana card, you have to input everything. So GHA, then with all your numbers, you shouldn't add any hyphen to anything. Yeah, then from there, select your title, maybe doctor, Mr. whatever. Then you click on checking everything. Then you click on next. So you follow the prompt and you do everything possible so that you can be able to create your account. That's the instant account. I want to make this video very simple for you and very short. So that's why. Now, when you are done, it's two things. I'm not really sure. They can ask you, or they can just direct you straight to the account, or they'll ask you to log in. So I'm now come to log in to my personal account. So I'm going to do this very quick. So now that the application has opened, what you do now is to go to cards. You see an option for cards. So you click on cards here. Now you see different options. We are going to go to GCB virtual cards. Now we are going to ask or request for a new virtual card. I'll click on that. So they're asking you that where do you want to get or link your virtual card to, and I want to link it to my main account since that's the only one there. Then I'll click on submit. So you have to just go through all of this process. I think you pay a simple amount. That should be 1 CD, 2 CDs, or 5 CDs. Then they will be able to create your virtual card for you. Once you are done creating the virtual card, and you go all the way back, then you come to cards and you click on GCB virtual card, you would see the option there yourself. So you will see the option there yourself to be able to click on the card you have created. Yeah, so you're going to be seeing your card like this, and you're going to click on view so you can view your card. So this will come up here and then you see everything. Now what you are going to do is to click on top up your card. So in case you have money in your bank account, that is if you already have a bank account, you will come here and then you would input the money that you want. That is if you want to buy something from GCB. So you let me just input 500. I don't have 500 CDs in my instant account. I can't be keeping my money there if I'm really not sure of the service and everything. So that's 5,000. So you can keep 5,000 in your virtual card. Then you would type in whatever you want to type in, and then you proceed. I don't have enough money inside there, so they will tell you. But if I did and I press or I clicked on submit, then they will just ask you to select some very short option, do 1 or 2 things, and then you just continue like that. The process is very simple on the GCB application, and it is very affordable. Seriously. Now, if you want to top up your instant account, that is if you don't have a GCB application, what you have to do is simply to come here. You have your account number here. That's the 1011, whatever. So you just have to come onto this and then you click on it, or you just write it down somewhere. Then go to your Momo. I would ask you to use the short code. Yeah, so all you have to do in the short code is to type *170#. Then you click on it. it's going to load whatever is going to load for you. Very simple. So when that happens, you can, I'm not sure I'll input this thing here because of TikTok's terms and conditions. So you add your money, transfer money, then you do it like that over and over again. You're going to click on bank. From your wallet to your bank account, click on that option. It's very simple. Then you choose GCB. GCB is number 3. Choose number 3. Then now you write your account number here. Then you continue, go through the whole process, and you'll be able to top up your instant account. If you're using the bank account, maybe you have money in it, but you can also use the same process, and then you'll be free, you'll be done with it. Very simple. So after you have topped up your bank account, whether you use the Momo way or whatever way, after you top up your bank account using your bank account number, either the instant or your actual bank account, now you top up your virtual card with the process I showed you, and then you'll be good to go. So now in the next video, I will show you how to order from Temu or AliExpress. It's very simple. Once you have your card and everything, your card details, you are set. So I'll catch you in the next video where I explain to you how to shop on Temu and everything. I'll catch you soon, but till then, bye.